What's the meaning of breakbeat? Breakbeat. Breakbeat.
Breakbeat. Breakbeat. Breakbeat is a popular form of electronic dance music that originated in the 1970s. The genre is characterized by its heavy use of drum breaks, which are taken from funk, soul, and jazz tracks and then manipulated and rearranged to create a new rhythmic pattern. In breakbeat, the focus is not on a continuous beat, but rather on the manipulation of rhythm and the layering of sound. This leads to a highly dynamic and energetic sound that is known for its ability to get people dancing. In summary, breakbeat is a subgenre of electronic dance music that features manipulated drum breaks and a focus on rhythm and sound layering.